Yeah, good evening, students. Now, we'll discuss today test paper solutions. See the first question. The differential equation is satisfied by the family of curves y is equal to ax into cos of 1 by x plus b, where a and b are the parameters. Now we need to form the differential equation. See first question. Now what are they given? Y is equal to ax into cos of 1 by x plus b. Here where a and b are the constant, that's why two constants are there, that's why that many times we need to differentiate y1. uv formula ax into cos derivative minus, and that is minus ax into sine of 1 by x plus b. Now inner function derivative, now 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. Now plus a into x derivative 1 only, that's why this is total a into cos of 1 by x plus b. Now here 1x value gets cancelled. Now here y1 is equal to minus a by minus into minus plus a by x sine of 1 by x plus b. Now, but this is from this what we can find, if you send x value this side, this total value what will get? Y by x. Now x is LCM, send left side, x y1 is equal to a into sine of 1 by x plus b plus y. Now I'll differentiate second time, x into y1 derivative y2, y1 into x derivative 1, a into sine derivative cos of 1 by x plus b, again 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square, plus y derivative is y1. Here y1 into 1, y1 only, now that's why y1 gets cancelled. Here the term x into y2 is equal to, this is minus a by x square into cos of 1 by x plus b. Here x cube into y2. Now this a into cos of 1 by x plus b, nothing but what? Y by x. This is total minus y by x. By cross multiplying x, what will get? X power 4 y2 is equal to minus y. From this x power 4 y2 plus y equal to 0. Now you can see which option is correct. Now option B is the correct one. Okay, now see in second question, the order and degree of the differential equation 1 plus 3 into dy by dx whole power 2 by 3 equal to 4 into d cube y by dx cube. Now we need to find order and degree. What the equation is there? 1 plus 3 into dy by dx whole power 2 by 3 is equal to d cube y by dx cube. A differential equation that must be integral power, but it is non-integral power, that's why cubing on both sides. So what will get here? 1 plus 3 into dy by dx whole square equal to cubing means power 3 is a cancel, whole cube. Now highest derivative is 3, order is 3. For that highest power is how much is there? 3. That's why order 3, degree 3. Now which option is correct? You can see now. Now option C is the correct one. Okay, next see in third one. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y plus 1 by x plus y minus 1. Okay, here we need to find the solution of this given differential equation. Now see in third one. Now dy by dx is equal to x plus y plus 1 by x plus y minus 1. Directly we can't differentiate this one. Variable separable also not possible. We can't separate x values and y values. Now to get simplified form, I'm replacing x plus y is equal to some v. By differentiating this, what will you get? X derivative 1, y derivative is dy by dx. V derivative is dv by dx. From this dy by dx is dv by dx minus 1. Substitute there. dv by dx minus 1 is equal to, now this is a v. V plus 1 by v minus 1. Now minus 1 send the right side. Then only we can make variable separable. Becomes plus 1. Now by taking LCM, v plus 1 plus v minus 1 divided by v minus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Now from this, dv by dx is equal to v plus v, 2v by v minus 1. Now for easy purpose, I'll send this all v terms, variable separable now. 2v by v minus 1 I'll send left side. This will becomes reverse. v minus 1 by 2v into dv. Now dx cross multiplication will comes in numerator and right side. Now divide with the denominator now. What will get divided? V by 2v, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2v into dv equal to dx. Okay, now while integrating on both sides, integral of 1 by x dv, 1 by 2 common, integral of 1 by v dv, integral of dx. Integral of 1 by 2, k dx is kx. So 1 by 2 dv means 1 by 2v. Integral of 1 by v nothing but log mod v is equal to integral of dx is x plus c. Now 2 is a LCM, we can send the right side. What will get? V minus log mod v is equal to 2x plus 2c. Now what is v value? You can substitute now. What is v? Nothing but x plus y. Now x plus y minus log mod of x plus y is equal to 2x. C is a constant, then 2c also constant. That's why it is capital C. Now finally from this, I need y value, remaining all terms, send right side. Y, this x sum that is mean 2x minus x minus log becomes plus log. Plus C. Now you can see which option is correct. For question number 3, now question number 3, which option is correct? Option C is the correct one. Okay. Next, fourth one. If dy by dx is equal to y plus x into tan of y by x whole divided by x, then what is sin of y by x value we need to find out. It's clearly homogeneous differential equation. Now see in fourth question. Now dy by dx is equal to y plus x into tan of y by x whole divided by x. Now divide with x value in right side, y by x, here x cancel, remaining tan of y by x. For that, now we need to replace y by x is equal to v. From this, y is equal to vx. Now I'm changing variable. Y by x form is the uv homogeneous differential equation here. dy by dx equal to v into x derivative 1 plus x into v derivative dv by dx. Substitute in this equation, first equation, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y by x nothing but v plus tan v. Now v gets cancelled, a variable separable, tan v divide this side along with dv, x send that side along with dx. Now 1 by v tan v dv equal to 1 by x dx. Now 1 by tan means cot v dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Now integrating on both sides, integral of cot v dv equal to integral of 1 by x dx. The integral of cot x is log mod sin x, that is log sin x, or like sin v here. Integral of 1 by x, log mod x or log x. When both side log is there, take in this c place log c only. Now here the value wise. Now this is log sin v, log a plus log b, that is log of c into x. Mod is negligible. Now sin into v, what is v? Y by x. They're asking which one sin y by x only, that is cx clearly. Cx means which option is correct? I think it is B option is correct one. You can see now question number 4, option B is the correct one. Okay. Now question number 5 also same model, variable separable, dy and all x terms right side. You can apply integration formulas, you'll get answer easily. See in 6th one, the general solution of differential equation dy by dx plus sine of x plus y by 2 equal to sine of x minus y by 2. We need to find the general solution of this given differential equation. Okay. Now question number 6, what's the differential equation is given? Dy by dx plus sine of x plus y by 2 is equal to sine of x minus y by 2. Directly we can't integrate this. Send this value right side. This is sine of, if you divide with 2, what will get? X by 2 minus y by 2 minus sine of x by 2 plus y by 2. Sine of a minus b minus sine of a plus b. Now actually sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b is 2 sine a cos b. So sine reverse, and that's why you'll get here minus 2 sine a by 2 into cos y by 2, x by 2 like that. Okay. Here the term, so minus is there now, not x, it is changes. Now minus means what? Plus means what? That is okay. Minus means total sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b is 2 cos a sine b. But a minus reverse is, that's why 2 cos a, that means x by 2 into sine y by 2. Now we can do variable separable. Now minus 2 keep right side. This sine y by 2 send left side. Okay. Now 1 by sine y by 2 into dy is equal to minus 2 cos x by 2 into dx. Now integrating on both sides, 1 by sine nothing but cosecant y by 2 into dy minus 2 common cos y by 2, sorry, x by 2 into dx. Now for integral of cosecant x dx, log mod cosecant minus cot we have, but we have one more simplified formula, that is log mod tan x by 2 plus c also. Okay. Now that formula we are applying here, that is log of tan x means y by 2. Y by 2 by 2 is y by 4. By inner function y by 2 derivative is what here? 1 by 2. Minus 2 into integral of cos is sine x by 2 inner function derivative 1 by 2 plus c. 2 gets cancelled. Now this 1 by 2 can cross multiply. 2 will comes to denominator values wise. If you take exactly, if you want, means now don't cancel this number, keep like that only, because both side 1 by 2 common will come. This will send cross multiplication. So log of tan y by x is equal to minus 2 sine x by 2 by cross multiplying 1 by 2 c. This is again a constant only. So finally the equation what you will write? Log of tan y by x is equal to, this is capital C, minus 2 sine x by 2. I think this is option B is the correct one. You can say option B. Option B is the correct one. Okay. Next, 7th one, the differential equation, we need to find the solution here also. Same manner. Okay, now our 7th question. Now what is given? Dy by dx is equal to x log x square plus x divided by sine y plus y cos y. Here also we can do variable separable. Now send this y sine y plus y cos y left side. By sending left side, what you will get here? So sine y into sine y plus y cos y into dy equal dx left side x into log x square means what it becomes 2 log x plus x into dx. Now this is whole value, whatever is this is clearly it is d by dy of y into sin y formula, okay, is equal to, now later we can cancel out, no problem here. dy of dy, derivative of y sin y is nothing but this will get. Now I'm integrating at a time also here. Before that 2 into x log x plus x into dx. Now integrating on both sides. By integrating what derivative on this will be cancelled, what you will get? Y sin y is equal to 2 common integral x log x dx plus integral of x dx. It is uv formula, logarithmic is u, this is v dash by using highlight rule. Now first u is log x, v dash is x, u dash 1 by x, v means v dash we need to integrate. Integral u v dash formula what? uv minus integral u dash v. Now left side no changes. 2 into u, that is log x, into v, x square by 2, u dash, that is 1 by x square by 2 into dx, plus here what? X square by 2. 2 into x square by 2 log x. Now one x value cancel. Again 1 by 2 common. Again one more x is there. Integration is x square by 2 plus x square by 2 plus c. Now here we need to simplify the term, the value wise. Now 2 multiply inside. 2 into x square, that is x square log x. Now 1 2 is cancelled, remaining x square by 2 plus x square by 2 plus c. These two cancel. Finally answer is y sin y is equal to x square log x plus c. I think it is option. Can simplify. Finally what is the answer is there? That is option A is the correct one. Option A, yes, option A is the correct. Next, eighth one you can do, it is based on linear differential equation model. You can get easily answer. Okay, you can solve this question, no problem. And ninth question is variable separable model. Now see now 10th question, form the differential equation of all family of lines y is equal to mx plus 4 by m by eliminating the arbitrary constant m value. Okay. Now y is equal to mx plus 4 by m is the given question. We need to form the differential equation. Okay, only one constant, one time differentiate, that is dy by dx, mx derivative m, 4 by m is a constant, derivative 0. This one substitute in this first equation. Y is equal to what is m? dy by dx into x, 4 by dy by dx. Here what is the LCM? dy by dx. Now this dy by dx other left side cross multiply y into dy by dx, and this is multiplying here while taking LCM, dy by dx whole square into x plus 4. If read in order wise, x into dy by dx whole square minus y dy by dx plus 4 equal to 0. I think option B is the correct one for this question. You can see now what is the option? Then yes, option B is the correct one. Same manner 11th also form the differential equation model only. But here there is a single constant only, we need to differentiate only once. But by substituting we need to eliminate. This is equation x square equal to 4b into y plus b. We need to eliminate b value to form the differential equation. So 11th one is x square equal to what here? 4b into y plus b. So only one time differentiate. 2x into 4b into y plus b derivative is y1. That is a derivative. dy by dx nothing but y1 nothing but here directly we're not able to eliminate this. Now here these two ones are 2's are. Now b value directly also we can know without cancellation. Two x is equal to 4b into y1. Now from this b value what will get? 2x by 4y1. From this 4b if you want means what you will write? 2x by y1 also. Only b means 2 ones are here, 2 2's are, that is x by 2y1. Okay. Now substitute in that equation number 1. X square equal to 4b nothing but what? 2x by y1. Y plus b means x by 2y1. Now here x square 2x by y1. Take LCM what? 2y1. 2y1 is LCM plus x divided by 2y1. Now this 2 gets cancelled. y1 into y1 square. This send this side. X square into y1 square is equal to x multiply inside 2xy y1 plus x square. Okay. Now here any common term 1x, well I think you can cancel here itself. If you cancel 1x, still it will be reduced. Now finally what here? X equal to, from clear, this is 2y y1 plus x by denominator is y1 whole square. So y1 whole square send left side. X into y1 whole square is equal to 2y y1 plus x. I think it is option A is the correct one. And you can see the option now. Now yes, x y dash y1 meaning same only. Y dash whole square is equal to x plus 2y y dash. Next, question number 12. Given already solution of the differential equation, but here we need to find p of x value. Okay. Solve the question. What is the solution is given? Y is equal to 2 pi x minus 1 whole value into cosecant x. What is the differential equation is given? dy by dx p of x into y is equal to 2 by pi cosecant x. We need to find p of x. Okay. Now in this, we need to form this differential equation. Exactly we don't know. To find the comparing that. Now we need to differentiate this -2. Now I am differentiating equation 1. Now y derivative dy by dx. This complete value u, this is v. 2 by pi x minus 1 into cosecant derivative is minus cosecant x into cot x. Okay. Now then plus cosecant x into 2 by pi x derivative is 2 by pi only. Okay, now we can simplify this value. Now any y term is involved here. You have to see now any y value is involved in this case. Now what is exactly the cosecant x value? This we can simplify. Now this if you multiply with minus, now what is the value we will get exactly? In the overall term, what is the common we can take? Cosecant x is a common. Here minus multiplies. Now here first 2 by pi is a positive value. Here negative minus multiply inside, what will get? Minus 2 by pi x minus into minus plus, or into cot also there, no? So without multiplying minus also we can take. So minus of 2 by pi x minus 1 into cot x. Now this is the term is existed value wise. Now in this, which is the y is there again, if you multiply inside the term, now before taking this value also we can simplify. Why this all a lengthy process? After derivating here only we can simplify. We need to write in this form, okay? Now cosecant derivative is cosecant x into cot x. Now plus cosecant x into derivative of this is what? 2 by pi. Okay, now this 2 pi by x minus 1 into cosecant x. This whole value I can write y only now, that's why this is dy by dx minus this one and this one combination we can write, there is y cot x. Remaining 2 by pi cosecant x is minus y cot x and left side. This one compare with second equation. Compare with second equation, in the place of p of x, what is there? Cot x. Yes, it is the cot x. The answer is option A is the correct one. You can see, yes, option A is the correct one. Now 13 also, it is a homogeneous differential equation. You can put y by x is equal to t, you will get RV. You can get answer easily, or you can follow the answer easily. You can do. Now see in question number 14, y is equal to y by x be the solution of the differential equation. The given differential equation, they given this is differential equation, and they given y of 1 by 2 is root 3 by 2, and we need to find y of minus 1 by root 2. We need to find out. Okay. Now, question number 14. The 14 here, y of 1 by x, that is the root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx into root of 1 minus y square equal to 0. First, root of 1 minus x square into dy by dx is equal to minus root of 1 minus y square. Now variable separable, all y terms one side, x terms other side. So 1 by root of 1 minus y square dy. This root of 1 minus x square send right side becomes denominator. Okay. Now in this term, now values wise, what we can take integrating on both sides. Integral 1 by root of 1 minus y square dy minus common integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. Integral 1 by root of 1 minus y square nothing but sin inverse y. So minus it is sin inverse x plus send left side sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to c. Take it as equation number 1. First they given y of 1 by 2 is root 3 by 2. That means x value 1 by 2, y value 3 by 2. Substitute in above equation, sin inverse of 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of root 3 by 2 is equal to c. Now sin is 1 by 2 at which angle? Pi by 6. Sin is root 3 by 2 at which angle? Pi by 3. Now 30 plus 60, that is pi by 2. C value we got. Now next they're asking which one? Y of minus 1 by root 2. At x value minus 1 by root 2, what is y they're asking? Okay. From first equation only, sin inverse of minus 1 by root 2 plus sin inverse of y we don't know equal to c. C already how much we got? Pi by 2. Sin inverse of minus x is minus sin inverse x. That is 1 by root at which angle? Pi by 4. It is sin inverse y is equal to pi by 2. Now sin inverse y is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Now y is equal to becomes sin of 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta second quadrant, function changes to cos and it is a positive. Cos pi by 4, that is cos 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. So option C is the correct one. Okay, you can see option now. Which option correct? Yes, option C is the correct one. Okay, now 15th question, if dy by dx plus 3 by cos square y is equal to 1 by cos square x. Now here we need to find the y of pi by 4 is 4 by 3 given, we need to find y of minus pi by 4. Okay. Now question number 15. Now what are the differential equations given? So linear differential equation dy by dx plus 3 by cos square x into y is equal to 1 by cos square x. Now this we can simplify 3 take 1 by cos square nothing but secant square x into y is equal to secant square x. Now where p of x is this one, this is q of x. Now p nothing but 3 secant square x, q nothing but secant square x. Now in this, now we can take the value y is here if integral factor e power. We can do in several ways. Now easy method means we can do in another method. Simple way means this is not required like this. We can do variable separable only. You know, linear differential equation means lengthy process. Now here this is dy by dx 3 secant square x into y is equal to secant square x. Now dy by dx is equal to, send this value that side, secant square x minus 3 secant square x y. Now dy by dx equal to, take secant square, take better minus secant square x is common, remaining plus 3y minus 1. Now this variable separable possible now, 3y minus 1 divide the left side, 1 by 3y minus 1 dy is equal to minus secant square x into dx. Okay, now integrating on both sides, integral 1 by 3y minus 1 dy is equal to minus integral secant square x dx. Integral of 1 by x form, so log mod of 3y minus 1 by inner function derivative 3 equal to minus derivative of secant, integral of secant square is tan x plus c we can take. Now 3 cross multiply, so log of mod is not required. 3y minus 1 is equal to minus 3 tan x and 3c again becomes what? C only. Okay, let's take it as equation number 1. Now the given first value y of pi by 4 is 4 by 3 given, x value 4 pi by 4, y value 4 by 3, substitute in 1, so log of 3 into 4 by 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 3 tan pi by 4, directly I am writing x value 1 pi by 4, no, that is 1 plus c, 3 cancel, this is log 3 is equal to minus 3 plus c. From this c value how much you will get here clearly, c is equal to 3 plus log 3. Okay, 3 plus log 3 is the value. Next we need to find y of minus pi by 4. X is equal to minus pi by 4, what is y value? Okay, now same from first equation, log of 3y minus 1 is equal to minus 3 tan minus pi by 4 is what? Minus 1 plus c, this is plus 3. Now what is c value? 3 in 3 plus log 3. Okay. 3 plus log 3. Finally, this is what? 6 plus log 3 value. Now, after getting the 6 plus log 3, this is which one? Clearly, this is a value of log of 3y minus 1 only. Now, it is a base is what? E we can take base value. Now, this is mod of 3y minus 1 is equal to exponential e power 6 plus log 3. Now, 3y minus 1 is equal to this e power 6 we can write e power log 3. E and log cancel. Now, this 3y minus 1 is equal to 3 into e power 6. Now, from this, still we need to simplify. Now, 3y is equal to 1 send that side. 3 into e power 6 plus 1. Y finally 3 divide means e power 6 plus 1 by 3. I'm taking negative here only plus positive value. Now, that is option A is the correct one. You can see option A. See in the 15th question, yes, option A is the correct one. Next, 16th question, same model, variable separable. First you send y plus 1 cos x right side, then all y terms left side, all x terms other side. Integrating on both sides, you will get answer easily. Okay. Next, question number 17. 17, the curve y is equal to f of x passes through the point 1 comma minus 1 and satisfy the differential equation y into 1 plus xy dx equal to x dy. Then f of minus 1 by 2 we need to find out. Now question number 17. Now what are the differential equations given? Y into 1 plus xy into dx is equal to x dy. Here first, now values wise, y multiply inside y into xy square d whole dx is equal to x dy. Now here the term y's dx also multiply inside, what do we get? Y dx plus xy square dx is equal to x dy. Now this x dy send this side, xy square the send right side. Now what we can take here values wise, or this y dx only take right side ma? xy square into dx is equal to x dy minus y dx. Here I will divide this y square right side, the value wise. Now y like this means simple. Now we'll do one thing here. Now keep like this y dx minus x dy only. This one is in left side is equal to minus xy square dx. Now divide both sides with y square. Here y dx minus x dy by y square is equal to minus x dx. Y square cancel na? Now integrating on both sides. Before integration, this is the derivative of, this is d of x by y. Although while doing competitive, we explained clearly the short forms of a variable separable method is equal to what? Minus x dx. Now integrating on both sides, integral of d of x by y is equal to integral minus x dx. Derivative is cancelled. This is x by y minus x square by 2 plus c. Now this take it as equation number 1. Here they given first this curve is passing through which point is given? It is passing through equation 1. Passing through point is 1 comma minus 1, x value 1, y value minus 1. X value 1, 1 by minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 square, that is 1 by 2 plus c. C is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2. Okay, c value we got. After getting c value, now we need to find f of minus 1 by 2. Okay, f of minus 1 by 2 means now I'll substitute x value minus 1 by 2. Now, minus 1 by 2y is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 into 2 plus c. it is minus 1 by 2y is equal to minus 1 by 8, c value minus 1 by 2. Now here minus 1 by 2y is equal to minus 1 by 2, take common, remaining 1 by 4 plus 1. Minus and 1 by 2 cancel, remaining 1 by y is equal to LCM is what? 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Y is equal to what? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means option B. F of value nothing but which one? This is y value only. F of minus 1 by 2 nothing but 4 by 5. Option B is the correct one. Okay. Yes, option B is the correct one. Next, 18th one. Question number 18. What is the 18th question is given? The given differential equation y of 0 is 1, y dash of 0 is 0. Then what is y at x equal to log 2? Okay. Now, 18th one. You know what is the differential equation? Y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y equal to 0. The given y of 0 is 1, y dash of 0 is 0. And what is y at x is equal to log 2? Okay, first integrating on both sides, this one. Integral of y double dash, you will get y dash. Integral of y dash is y. Integral of y is y square by 2 is equal to c constant. Now first, here the term, one more time we'll integrate this. Later we can apply the conditions. Again, one more time integrating this. Integral of y dash is y. 3 into integral of y is y square by 2. Remaining y square integration is y cube by 3 is equal to, here we are integrating, left side is in terms of y, right side in terms of x will integrate, that is cx plus some k. Okay, first here, what is the y value? Now c value first we don't know here. To find c value, here y dash and y of 0 value, whatever you're taking. Now here y value 1, clearly y dash value 0. Now y value 0, y dash value, so y value 1 ma, y dash value how much? 0. Now 0 to find c ma, 0, minus 3 into 1 minus 3, plus 2, 2 cancel, 1 square is 1. From this c value how much? Clearly minus 2. Okay, later we can substitute here, no problem. Now again, what is y value 1? Now y value 1 substitute in this to find k value. 1 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to cx. C value how much? Already minus 2. X value how much is there? Y of 0, 0. Because here x value 0 in both cases. 0 plus k. Here LCM is what? 6. 6. Here how many times? 2 is 3 times multiple, 9. Here 2 times by 6 is equal to k. Now 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 9, that is minus 1 by 6. After getting k value minus 1 by 6 term, here we need to do simplification wise. Now we need to find y value, x is equal to log 2. Okay, now to find log 2 value in this case, now here we are doing a simplification. Okay, now coming to in this case, the value wise, now take this equation. Finally, what is the equation? We'll get y minus 3y square by 2 plus y cube by 3 cx plus k. What is c value? C value minus 1 by minus 2 x, k value minus 1 by 6. Now they given x value. If you do like this, it is going more lengthy term. Okay, better. Now we'll do in another method. 18, what are they given? Y double dash or 3 into y dash plus 2y equal to 0. Now they given y of 0 value is 0, y dash of 0 is 0, y of 0 is 1 is given. Okay, now see, in this generally derivative of the curve at point we called as slope of the tangent we can take. As for that, we can take here the term, take in this value here they're not given which is satisfying. Y of 0 is 1, y dash of 0 is 0. Exactly which term will satisfy, we don't know exactly. Now for easy purpose, now what you will take your values, integrating 1 by 1 will get as a one way condition wise. It's completely only in terms of y is there. Now by condition wise, what you will get here is m value. Okay, students, we'll do now. Actually, the slope m is nothing but what? Y dash. So y double dash will get y double dash means here. This we can take m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. For these factors, what will get? Minus 1 and minus 2. Now when slope finally m values are what? Either 1 or 2. For this differential equation, the solution, now what you are taking in the form of y is equal to c1 into m1x c2 into e power m2x. So y is equal to c1 into e power m1 is nothing but 1. c2 we don't know, 2 constant e power 2x. Now if you differentiate one time, before that first we need to find what is a c1 and c2. The given y of 0 is 1. That means y value 0. So y value 1, x value 0. Now 1 is equal to c1 into e power 0 1, c2 into e power 0 is 1. From this, c1 plus c2 is equal to how much? 1. Take it as equation number 1. This take it as 2. This is equation 1. Now I am differentiating equation 1. Okay. Now y dash equal to c1 into e power x derivative e power x, c2 into e power 2x derivative is 2 e power 2x. Now they are given y dash of 0 is 0. Y dash value 0, x also 0. 0 equal to c1 into e power 0, 1, 2, c2. Okay, now this is equation number 3. I am subtracting second and third. By subtracting means what? C1, C1 cancel. C2 minus 2C1, that is minus C2 is equal to minus 1. C2 is equal to what clearly? C2 actually 1 minus 0 means 1 only. Our right side only plus 1. Minus C2 equal to my plus 1. C2 is equal to what? Minus 1. Now when C2 is minus 1, what is C1? From second equation, C1 minus 1 equal to 1. From this C1 is equal to 2. Now this from first equation, y is equal to what? C1 is 2, 2 into e power x. C2 is minus 1, that is minus 2 e power 2x. Now they given what x value now? X is equal to log 2, we need to find y. Y is equal to 2 into e power log 2. 2 into e power 2 log 2. E and log cancel. It is 2 into 2 minus 2 into e power, this 2 sent to power of 2, this total becomes 4. Now finally 4 minus 8, that is minus 4 is the answer. At minus 4, it is clearly, yeah, 2, we take an extra here, no? Sorry, one small correction. E2 is just minus 1. Now here the value, now 0 will get, okay? Now here 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4 is what? 0. 0 means which option is correct? Option D is the correct one. Next, 19. Now question number 19. So we can go with variable separable method. We need to find the general solution of the given differential equation. Now question number 19. What is the given equation? dy by dx is equal to e power 3x minus 2y plus x square into e power minus 2y. Now dy by dx, I'll take e power minus 2y is common, remaining e power 3x plus x square. Now e power minus 2y send that side, 1 by e power minus 2y into dy equal to e power 3x plus x square dx. Come to numerator. After taking the numerator, integrating on both sides, integral e power is anything e power by minus 2, e power 3x over e power 3x by 3, here x cube by 3 plus c. Here we can simplify. Now minus 2 we can send the right side or minus multiply both sides. Now what is the minus term is involved here? See, plus only. Here come to numerator means plus only will get in the left side. This is e power 2y dy. Okay. E power 2y integration is e power 2y by 2. Now the value is we can keep like this only. Now e power 2y by 2, e power 3x by 3 plus x square by 2. Now that is option. Which option is correct for this? Option B is the correct one. Now you can see the option 19th one. Yes, option B is the correct one. You can take 1 by 3 is common. Next 20 also same model. How we did in above one. Similar manner we can do. Now see 21. The order of the differential equation associated with primitive equation where C1, C2, C3, C4 are the arbitrary constants. See now 21. 21 what they given the primitive equation or the solution. Y is equal to C1 plus C2 into e power x, C3 into e power minus 2x plus C4. Here C1 plus C2 into e power x, C3 into this we can write e power minus 2x into e power C4. Now this whole is a constant because constant into constant again. So C3 into e power C4 again I will take single constant. It is C1 plus C2 into e power x, see some k into e power minus 2x. Okay, that's why now it's the number of constants are reduced now. Now clearly we can take the now number of constants, how many are there? How many number of constants is it that is the order will come. So we order now. We have 3 constants, that's why order is 3. Okay, order 3 means that is option A is the correct one. You can take the option now. Yes, order is 3. Now see in 22, solution of the differential equation x into dy by dx whole square plus 2 into root of xy dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Now this is the differential equation is given. Now 22. What is 22 is given x into dy by dx whole square plus 2 root xy into dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Now in this, we can write this is like a plus b whole square to this term value what you are taking. Now this we can write root x into dy by dx whole square. This we can write 2 root x into dy by dx into root y. This y we can write root y whole square. This overall term we can write root x dy by dx plus root y whole square, a plus b whole square form. Now root x into dy by dx plus root y is equal to 0. Now dividing whole equation with root x into root y. Okay, now root x cancel, remaining 1 by root y dy by dx plus 1 by root x into equal to 0. Now dx cross multiply. So 1 by root y dy is equal to dx 1 by root x into dx is equal to 0. Now we are integrating on both sides. Integral of 1 by root y dy plus integral of 1 by root x dx is equal to 0. Okay, now integral of 1 by root y derivative is what? Integration mass, sorry. And now 2 root y, it is 2 root x equal to c. Now c by sending right side, what will get? Root y plus root x is equal to c by 2. C by 2 is again a constant, that is root x plus root y is again a constant. That's why for this option, D is the correct one. As you can see, this option D is the correct one. Next, the solution of the differential equation. Okay, here we need to find the solution. This given y of 0 is 0 given already. 23rd dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x plus y square plus xy square. Given y of 0 is 0. Before simplifying this, now first factors, take y square common, 1 plus x is other term. Again 1 plus x common, remaining 1 plus y square. Now we can separate variables by using variable separable. Y factor send left side, dx send right side. Now integrating on both sides, integral of 1 by 1 plus y square is tan inverse y. Integral of 1 is x. Integral of x is x square by 2 plus c. Take it as 1. Equation number 1. Now y of 0 means x 0 and y also 0. Tan inverse of 0, 0, 0, 0, c. C is equal to 0 only. Finally, the solution is tan inverse y is equal to x plus x square by 2. Now from this, we can c is eliminated clearly. That's why now send tan inverse left side, it becomes tan of x plus x square by 2. That is option D is the correct one. You can see option, which option is correct for this? Yes, option D is the correct one. Next, a curve amongst family of curves represented by the differential equation given. It passes through which point? 1, comma 1. Okay. Now we need to find which curve is satisfying for this. Question number 24. Now what is the given differential equation is? X square minus y square into dx 2x into 2xy dy equal to 0. Okay, now for easy way we can do like this, the terms. Now what we are taking values. Now here the term values are Now, this x square y square dx and right side 2xy dy equal to minus x square minus y square into dx. Now dy by dx is equal to minus of, if you multiply minus inside, what you will get? Y square minus x square by 2xy. Now by dividing with or by taking x square is common, now degree is the numerator, denominator, degree is same, that's why I'll put y is equal to vx. Now differentiate this one, what you will get? Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, homogeneous differential equation. Now v plus x into dv by dx equal to, now v square x square minus x square by 2x into vx. Now here x square is common, when v square minus 1, 2v x square. Here v plus x into dv by dx. Now x into dv by dx, send v value right side, v square minus 1 by 2v minus v. Now here x into dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 minus 2v square by 2v. X into dv by dx, total minus common because v square plus 1. 2v, leave minus left side, right side only. Remaining variables separable, v term send left side along with 2v. 2 into dv is equal to integral 1 by x dx comes to numerator. Now derivative of v square plus 1 is what? V square plus 1 is clearly 2v plus 1, 2v will come. So integral f dash of x by f of x, we can take a log mod of x, it's a log mod x plus log c. Look at the value wise, what we are taking. Now the term, now this minus log x and or this we can do like this, v square plus 1 to log c minus log x, that is log cx. Log cancel. Now I'll substitute what is v from this. Y by x is equal to v. Here y square by x square plus 1 is equal to cx. Okay. Now y square plus x square is equal to cx cube. We can take this, take it as equation number 1. This curve passing through which one? This curve clearly passing through sorry, here not cx, we should take c by x ma. X log a minus log b na. C by x will get, okay. Sorry, small correction. C is c by x. Now y LCM, by taking LCM, y square plus x square by x square equal to c by x. And x value cancel. Finally, x square plus y square is equal to cx. Take it as equation 1. Now this curve passing through which point is given? It's clearly passing through 1, 1. Now I am substituting or put 1, 1 in equation 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to c into 1 c. C is equal to 2. Now the equation is x square plus y square is equal to 2x. Now 2x in this side, x square minus 2x plus y square equal to 0. Now I am adding 1 on both sides to make perfect squares. This is like a plus a minus b whole square, x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 1. It is a circle equation with the center 1, 0, radius is 1. So which option is correct for this? circle with center on the which axis? X axis. Clearly lies on which axis? X. That's why option A is the correct one. Last problem. Yes, circle with center on X axis. Okay. The solution of the differential equation x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square. Okay. The last problem 25. X into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square. Now divide with x on both sides. Now dy by dx plus 2 by x, y is equal to x. Now dy by dx plus py equal to q form, where p is equal to 2 by x, q is equal to x. Integral factor e power integral of p dx, e power 2 is common, integral of 1 by x dx, 2 integral of 1 by x log mod x or log x you can take. Now take this 2 is the power of x. Now e and log cancel. IF is x square. Now the general solution is y into IF integral q into IF into dx plus c. Now y into what is IF? X square. Q is x. X into x square is x cube into dx plus c. Y x square integral of x cube is x power 4 by 4 plus c. It is taken as 1. The given condition here. That's why now the point what they given y of 1 equal to, that means x1 y value 1. So 1 into 1 1 1 power 4 1 plus c. C is equal to 1 by 4 send this side, 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. That is the c value we got. Now y into x square is equal to x power 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now divide with x square. Y is equal to x power 4 by x square is x square by 4, 3 by 4 x square. So it is option C is the correct one. And see now which is option is correct? Yes, option C is the correct one. Thank you, students.